Welcome to ICI Homes. I'm Kelly Nowak, your on your lot specialist here in Northeast Florida. And today it's Tour Tuesday. We are here with the beautiful Kyla Knowles here in Tidewater.
Hello, welcome to Tidewater. I'm Kyla, the site agent here in Tidewater.
Thank you so much for having us. We are so excited to see this brand new. Our friends are getting a sneak peek at what floor plan is this?
The Brooke.
It's so beautiful,
yes,
Kyla. So
absolutely.
tell us a little bit about the community.
So community, we are North Jacksonville, off of a little private road headed towards Black Hammock Island.
Beautiful.
Yes.
This area is a hidden gem of Jacksonville.
Absolutely, yes. So one of the nice things with Tidewater is that all of our lots are 80 feet wide. So you're getting that nice space between homes. So that is kind of our little niche here.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it. So we're going to take a look at the Brooke today. Absolutely. Now remember, you can always see Kyla here in Tidewater, or you can build this with me on your lot. But Kyla, tell us all about the Brooke. So this is our West Indies elevation.
Yes, brand new West Indies elevation, and it is absolutely stunning. You're going to love the inside.
Yay! Let's go.
Yeah.
So the Brooke is actually one of ICI's award-winning floor plans. We've been building it in many different communities. It's so versatile and it's beautiful, but I love this color.
Absolutely.
And it's nice to have the front porch on this West Indies elevation.
Absolutely.
Wow, what an entrance. This is gorgeous. And the decor, of course, ICI Homes, we have the best designers, and the decor is absolutely beautiful. So show us around.
Yes, please come on in. So you have your grand foyer here.
Beautiful with the 20-foot ceiling.
Yes.
And I love that you have this extra space off the, so it could be used as like an office or, you know, I know somebody had mentioned a homeschool room.
Absolutely, yeah. Come on in and check it out. So this is the study here.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
But it could essentially be used as a bedroom as well, because typically when you're building it, there is a closet in here, but they've made it into like a nice little study area.
Oh, this is great. This is a really great space. And with ICI Homes and our ability to customize, you're able to extend, because this is a 3-car garage.
Absolutely.
So you can actually extend this into other options as well.
Most definitely.
Oh, and then of course the heart of the home, this is just a fantastic space. It's nice and bright and light. I just love this.
Yes. And I think these are actually like 24-foot ceilings that open to the top here. So you're getting that nice open grand feeling.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
And the windows are just a statement, right?
Absolutely, yeah. So they've done quite a bit of structural upgrades here in the Brooke. So we have a sunroom that's bumped out over there. And they've also done the extended alternate kitchen in here as well.
Oh, beautiful. Well, what's really nice about this bumped out sunroom area is we have it kind of, it looks like it's staged more as like a sitting area, but if you need a larger table or you have a bigger family, it's a great space. And I love how it just kind of flows with the kitchen, and this is a beautiful kitchen.
Yeah, absolutely. Nice, lovely walk-in pantry.
I love it, and I have to say, I love this wine bar, Kyla. This is a fantastic.
You and me both.
Here they've done the cabinets, but you could do shelves and of course your wine cooler or drink cooler. I guess it could be a drink cooler
of
or
course.
wine.
Coffee bar.
Or coffee bar. Mimosas, yes. But this is just beautiful. And then I noticed back here, you have a nice laundry room.
Yeah.
And it opens up to your 2-car garage, right?
Yeah.
Your courtyard entry. And I love this I've been seeing this a lot lately, is the stackable washer and dryer, just to give yourself a little bit more space.
Yeah.
Because this is a nice sized laundry room, but they maximized, of course, the space a little bit more.
Absolutely. Yeah, they did a really good job.
And then a power bath for your day guests.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. So take us upstairs. Oh, actually, we got to go see the master, right?
Yes, you have to see the master. So this is an alternate deluxe master suite, and it is stunning.
Well, just the entryway into the master is beautiful. Wow! The natural light in here, the 10-foot ceilings, the 8-foot doors. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah, for sure. And wait till you see the master bathroom. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah.
Well, I love these barn doors too. It gives you a little bit of privacy, and it's, wow, this is gorgeous. Wow, this is a statement for sure. And with the shower head and the 2 rain heads, oh, this is beautiful. And I love this. This is a really nice big bathtub.
Absolutely.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
And this is what I love about ICI the most, is that really you have the ability to customize. So not only, custom structurally, but custom you know, to make it really yours.
Your personal preference with the materials that you
Absolutely.
choose. And this closet is amazing.
Yes.
One of the things that this Brooke has evolved over the years, I remember selling it in Akati and Tamaya, having the door in the bathroom is a nice option.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And one of those things that you can easily change if you wanted to switch, if you want the door from the bathroom or you want it from the master suite, it's a nice option. All right, we got to see the secondary spaces because everybody always asks, what do the kids' bedrooms look like? So we'll take a go upstairs.
We can go play some foosball. So as you can see upstairs, they've done the extended game room.
Oh, I love this. Yeah.
Absolutely.
This is a really nice space.
Yes.
Wow. So you can play a little foosball, you can watch a movie.
Yeah.
This is a really great space. And how many bedrooms are upstairs?
There are 4 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bathrooms. And then downstairs you have the half bath and the master bathroom.
Okay, so it's a 5-bedroom home.
Yes.
Wow, per
5
plan. So
bedrooms,
this is
3.5
really,
bathrooms.
that's awesome. Oh, you have the nice workout room. I love the West Indies elevation because of this little balcony.
The balcony.
Oh, so wonderful. I feel like I got to work out just going up those stairs. And then I love this, the Jack and Jill bathroom. A lot of people love this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our secondary baths are really beautiful too. And I noticed this is very similar to the standard options that we offer.
Absolutely.
Those included features. Beautiful. Kids won't want to leave home. They'll want to stay here forever. Yeah, this is a really great space. So you have 2 bedrooms on one side and then you have the following, the other 2 bedrooms on the other side.
Yep. And this nice large space.
Yeah. Now, is that Tidewater pictures?
It should be.
Those are beautiful.
It looks like it.
Yeah. The bathroom. This color scheme is so natural and light and bright. I love it.
Very much so, yeah.
It's very on trend. Yeah, the Brooke has won so many awards. It's just
very true. Absolutely. I think it's definitely because you can really customize it to your needs, whether it's multi-generational living or whether, you know, you're a family with small children. It's just it suits a lot of needs.
Yeah. And how many square foot is this about? 4,200?
This is about 4,200 square feet. The standard Brooke is a little over 3,600 square feet, so they've done quite a few bump outs here.
Excellent. Yeah. The one space we did not see was the outdoor space.
Oh my gosh, you have to see that.
Okay, let's go down and see the outdoor space. Okay. Yeah, this outdoor space is absolutely a showstopper. I love it.
Yes.
You have the fire pit, you have the outdoor kitchen, just a really great space to entertain. And then of course, this view off the water is just fantastic.
Yeah, you can't beat it. Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much, Kyla, for giving us this tour of the Brooke. It's beautiful. If you're interested in building the Brooke, definitely come out and see Kyla. Or if you're interested in building it on your lot, I'm your girl and I can help you. But we'll see you next Tuesday.
Absolutely. Bye.
Bye.